garage door to close. And I have a project for us to go out on our day off on Monday. We have to go to work today, but right now it's 6:57 a.m. and I'm headed to go pick up my mom. Technically she doesn't get off till like 7:47, but I want to drive by the place that we have to go on Monday, and I won't be cryptic because it's, why bother? I have to get coveralls, and since there's 3 paydays in March, it'll be easier to pay them off faster. So I figured on Monday we'll go look at coveralls. My problem is I'm short and chunky. Like, I'm 5'4", so I'm short. And then I'm chunky, so I need a larger coverall that's not very tall, so it doesn't really work. But that's what we're gonna go do on Monday, is we're gonna go to this place. Now it's over on 11th Street, and I don't really know where it is, but my brother says, I didn't go to bed till like 12 o'clock last night, because the night before I got my mom up at midnight because she worked a 16-hour day. So now my sleep pattern's all screwed up, but that's okay because I'll get tired today, so I'll sleep better tonight. Anyways, back to the original conversation. They're $160 at this place, otherwise they're over $2 at any other place. So that's why we're gonna go specifically to this place. And we're gonna do a drive-by so I know where it is. But that's what we're gonna do Monday, depending on if it's still storming. Now, the storm is supposed to, I think, roll in tonight or tomorrow morning. So that's Sunday, March the 3rd. So we'll see. And that being said, we are supposed to get 10 to 15 centimeters or something. I can't remember what it was. But it's supposed to storm. It's supposed to be really, really windy. And I don't know if it's supposed to be cold so much, but I know we're supposed to have snow. Now, 10 to 15 centimeters isn't really a lot. But I can't remember if that's every day that we're supposed to get that or what. But anyways, so this one is 4th Street, right? Yes. Anyway, I gotta go back to sleep. So this is 4th. This is 5th. So we got a fair drawn yet. 11th Street, I think, is out by the metal place. Might be farther than the metal place. Here's 7th, 8th, 9th. Also, when we arrive this morning to go pick up my mom, we also get to see if, we call her Psycho because she is psychotic. So I get to see if she's here this morning, and unfortunately we have to go today. It's good pay, and we have to put up with her for not 8 hours, but a fair chunk of our 8. There's 10th, this is 11th Street. Plumbing and heating. Oh, I think it's right there. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Okay, I know where it is now, so that's what look at them. They are cheaper there, and we like cheap, so. And then the next thing we have to get is boots. Well, we don't. You don't have to buy boots. Unless you need them, then you go buy boots too. But I need boots. But I'm not sure what kind of boots I want. I think we'll go back that way. My brother says not to get rubber steel-toed because the rubber, you'll want to rip them off by the end of the day because they're so sweaty. And with coveralls, it's best to wear t-shirts and shorts underneath. Now, some people are probably watching this and go, "You're an idiot." Well, I work in healthcare. We wear a full uniform that's scrubs. I've never worn coveralls. I have my heavy coat and pants, which are for chores, but I've never worn coveralls, so I don't really know how hot they are. But my brother says they're really hot, so you're gonna want to wear shorts and a t-shirt. So now I gotta invest in more shorts because I only have like 3 or 4 pairs. I live in the same thing. Well, I can live in the same thing for like 5 days in a row, and it doesn't bother me. It's just because I have clothes that I wear for chores, clothes that I wear to hang out in the house because I don't like wearing the same clothes. Because they smell like livestock. And I'm sorry, the livestock does stink, let's be honest. And then the clothes that I just wear in the house, I just wear it. I can wear it like 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, and it don't bother me none. That's because I don't go anywhere. So it's like, yeah, I wear the same shirt. Anyways, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll let you know if this lady is at work. Wait, I'm pulling into the parking lot. I just got across the street. There's nobody coming. All the lights are on, so that's a clear indication. I live in the dark. I hate turning on all the lights. That's just the way I am. Yeah, shit, she's here. Too bad she would be hit by a bus. It's gonna be a long day. Yeah, that's her. I don't know who I pissed off, but I pissed him off good, I guess. It's fine. We're gonna come in. It's gonna be alright. We're not gonna die. It'll be fine. But we will hope that she gets hit by a bus. I wish people could see how mean and nasty she is, because when other people are there, she's the fakest fucker I've ever met. Sorry if you don't like swearing. But she's all, "Oh, everything's just lovely and it's just so great." And then freaking management will leave, and then she's down everybody's throat over things that are so petty and stupid. Like the other day, she had a bitch fit on about Jello. So I was training a lady, and we needed Jello because we had a clear fluid. So clear fluid is anything you can see through and anything that dissolves. So it has to be Jello. So I made Jello really quick, and the only thing that was there was a red pen. So I splashed it on there with red pen, and then I put it in the fridge because we needed it right away. So at least it was indicated, yes, it was on red Jello, but it was on there. It needed to be marked because Psycho was coming. She threw a fit over Jello because it was red pen on red Jello. Be happy somebody made the Jello and you didn't have to. Nope, threw a bitch fit about this Jello and how it's marked in a red pen, and she was just so ignorant over Jello. Most of us would have been like, "Oh, it's good, we'll mark it later in a different color, it's fine." Not her. Not her. "Do you know when this Jello was made?" I'm like, holy frick, man. It's 10:30, you just fucking got here and you're throwing a bitch fit. And then she goes, I said, I have it marked. It's marked in red pen, but we needed it right away. So, ow! It doesn't look like it's marked. So she starts taking off all the lids, and oh no, she goes over to the person I'm training and goes, "Can you read that? I would have marked it in black. Be happy that I freaking made the Jello." No, not this bitch, not this bitch. Anyways, I would let you go because I've noticed that I ramble way too much. But yeah, it's gonna be a long freaking day. Okay, I am here. It is 9:51, so I go in at about 10:15. Why? Because I'm just perpetually early to everything. But we're gonna go in. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. If she talks to you, you just ignore her. You pretend like she's not even there. It's gonna be fine. I really don't want to go in there. Like, my heart's just a pumping. I don't want to go. I don't like it there. I really don't like it when she's here, but it's gonna be fine. It's trying to snow. I don't want to go in there. Because God only knows what's gonna be the problem this time. And the problem is like, nobody wants to deal with her. It's fine, Talina, you're gonna be fine. You just go in, you do your thing, you go home. Pray to God she gets hit by a bus tomorrow, calls in, then you're on your own tomorrow. I would work a 12-hour day by myself if it meant she was not there. 100%. 100%. It's just a matter of having her call in. But I'm gonna go in, it's gonna be fine. Wish me luck. I'll see you after work. Hi, it's my dinner. So I came out at 1:03, so it's 1:06. I've survived so far. I did have to correct her on 3 of her trays, and she still didn't listen to me. So I'm not really sure what to do. I'll call you back, because I gotta talk to my mother. Well, I'm not gonna call you back. This update, she left. We're free of her now. Thank God, we survived. We survived, now we're going to have a bath, because we need it. Fresh snow this morning. I think it's done snowing, but we're supposed to get 20 centimeters. But we do have fresh snow this morning. You can hear it. This is March for you, but yeah, you can hear the snow. It kind of almost sounds like rain. When we actually get good light, it'll be interesting to see if it's blue. If your snow is blue, it's got a lot of moisture in it. But I'm headed to get my mother. Oh yeah, you can even see it once you start looking. But yeah, it's snowing. The snow is getting heavier. Hello. So I survived work. And then I went to Walmart because I want a Diet Coke, let's be honest. I want a Diet Coke. So we, now you don't have to see the dirty towel, and you still get my awful hair. But, so I went and got my Diet Coke. I got something for supper tomorrow. But they had bags of dog food on for $3.23 when they're regular $10. And there was coupons stuck to bigger bags, so I took the coupons, and I ended up paying 58 cents per bag. There was 10 bags. And so in total, with the 10 bags, I paid $5.80. And they're probably all totaled up, I think it's about 16 kgs. So that's the kind of deal I got today. But it feeds the dog, so I was like, well, right on. I started a new video. I love these cookies, only the raspberry though. And I'm playing Fortnite because I got nothing else better to do. I figured I would end today's video. Well, I think it's like a week's worth, 2 days, maybe even 3 days worth of videos. But I will see you in the I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And love you. Bye bye.